Yo guys, welcome to another video. So yeah man, if you are new to the channel, my name is Ballo.trades and I'm documenting my journey to become a successful forex trader here on YouTube. So I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and smash that subscribe button and click on that notification bell to notify you when I'm dropping another video. So be sure guys to follow my socials. I leave the links in the description. I have my main account which is official.ballo.trades, and I have my analysis channel where I post analysis, like my daily analysis, but I haven't been posting for the past days because I've been busy with other things, so yeah man, be sure to follow those two accounts. And if you guys didn't know, I'll be soon running a series, of turning $10 into $1,000. So be sure to check it out guys. When I post, be sure to view my videos, what I'm saying. So it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be my first time trying to flip an account guys. So yeah man, let's get it. And guys, be sure to trade with the best profit out there guys, the Forex Panda, and use my 10% affiliate link where you get 10% off your purchase on any account size. I'll also leave the links in the description, and I'll also leave the discount code down below. So yeah man, getting into the video guys, as you read the title, yesterday was my first time trading CPI, I'm saying, and it actually went crazy guys. I'm not gonna lie, I never expected that, and I never saw myself as a person that trades news. But then yesterday I was like, okay, let me try this out for like the first time, I'm saying. So I mean, back then about a year ago, I used to trade news, but I like not NFP or CPI or PPI. Like I just traded like crude oil news for USD pairs. I'm saying, like if you know crude oil news, yeah, it doesn't really move that much. But then I used to trade them, and I used to blow my account with them because I used to enter with high lot sizes. I'm saying. So yeah man, right now I'm about to show you guys what I seen and how I caught that move. And yeah man, let's get into the video. Yo guys, so we're here now. Let's not waste any further time and let's just get into it. So yesterday CPI was around 2 p.m. where I live. Let me just check real quick just to confirm. Yeah, it was about 2:30 in the time zone that I'm in right now, right? So let me just get into the charts. As you can see, you could just see the candle guys, but I didn't catch the whole move. I just locked in some profits, and I was like, okay, then I'm satisfied with the profit, so let me just exit the trade, I'm saying. So right now we're on the daily, right? Let's just go to the 4 hour. So yeah man, going to the 4 hour. To make things simple and clear for you guys, let me just remove these things. Let me just remove these things. So by the way, for those of you guys who don't know, I use Falcon, right? I use Falcon strategy. So yeah man, and before we start off guys, I just wanna tell you guys something, and this is something that I've found out being true, right? The news creates volatility, not direction. For those of you who've been following me for a while now will know that I keep on repeating that same statement, which is true guys. You should test it for yourself, right? If you understand your strategy and the strategy is accurate, well, not 100% accurate, but then it does, you see other people making it in the strategy that you use, yeah man, just try it out and just leave your setup, and you'll see the news respects your setups most times, right? So yeah man, let's get into it. So I'm on the 4 hour time frame. So initially I was focusing on this bit of price action right here, right? Because yeah man, for me this is irrelevant. It's only relevant on the higher time frame, which is the daily and the weekly, right? So right now it's on the 4 hour, so I was like, okay, let me just focus on this bit of price action. So you could see an area of volume, right? An area where the big sharks could be, right? So we can see yeah man, we tapped into that area, then formed this high right here, right? So we broke that high and came back down and came back in, right? So yeah man, right now I was just looking for the downside, and I was looking for inflection points in this run. Inflection points are where price could just turn, right? But they're not really strong, but then they could turn, right? So another inflection point that I've seen was here, where the price is closest to it, right? So the prices was here. First inflection point, as you can see, price broke the low, with high intensity and came back and went to break that, went to go take liquidity. For those of you guys who know, the market moves on liquidity, right? So it broke the high and came back down, but we didn't really have a much volume to take us further to the downside, right? So my next high was here, right? As you can see, this was my next high. So I was waiting for that high to be broken, then I was gonna look for sales, right? And bear in mind, this was before CPI, right? This was just my thought process, right? So as you can see, there's a high, price came back to it and broke the high and came back down. So the volume was triggered, right? As you can see by this momentum candles, the breaking candle and a retracement candle closed. The next candle, which was the beige candle, closed like, as you can see, closed the whole candle from the previous one, right? So going to the 1 hour time frame. So the 1 hour time frame was looking for right, it was a break, then it come back, then retracement, then we go down, which is what happened here, as you can see, right? And when I forecasted this move, we were around this areas right here. Let me just look for a vertical line. We were around here, right? We were around here. So as you can see right here, we had let me just do like this. Okay, so we had our first touch right here of the pattern, right? Our first touch, our second touch. So price was like somewhere here, right? So it was moving in this direction. Let me just make things clear for you guys. Price was here when I forecasted this move. It was here, so I was anticipating for that third touch, then to take us to the downside, right? But then I had to go to the gym. So what happened was, I just put my stops, my sell stop right here, right here. Then my stop loss was like, I think it was 12 pips. Yeah, it was 12 pips. It was somewhere here. Then I didn't really have a take profit. I don't set my take profit, right? Just to extract more from the market, I just use a trailing stop, right? So yeah, man, my entry was here. Then I left and went back to the gym right? So price created a fake out, as you can see here, a trap. Then 2:30 is when it was CPI. So I was tagged in here, as you can see. Let me just bring back the position tool. Yeah, as you can see, this was my entry right here. Yeah, so my stop loss, as you can see, was 12 pips. Then my entry was here. So as you can see, price tapped me in, then went straight into profit. Then when I came back from the gym, which was around just like 10 minutes after CPI, I saw this move happening, right? Then I locked in profits about somewhere here. Yeah, 3.5, right? But price was floating here, right? So I was like, nah, let me just close it, right? Then I closed it manually, and when I closed it, it was above. It was right here at 3.9%. So I closed it. As you can see, it went further, but then I was really this is something we need to learn to do, guys. I was really comfortable with the profits that I made, you know, the percentage that I made. We need to be content and not be greedy, because I've seen the greedy side of me, guys. It gets ugly, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, I caught this move. So just to show you that I've journaled this trade, guys, it was yesterday. Let me just, okay, as you can see, yesterday was the 10th of April, Wednesday. Then as you can see, the pips was 12 pips, and the pair was Euro USD. Low risk. This was a low risk because it was positioned well. The bear flag, as you can see, I closed the same day, so it's 0 trades. So I took a screenshot just on NFP, not NFP, CPI, right? So yeah, this was a screenshot how it was looking like. And as you can see, at 3.9, 0.1% gain. So yeah, man, this week it was a hell of a week, I'm not gonna lie. It started off with a 0.7 loss, then went to 3%, then 1%. Then there was this trade that I forgot to journal because I was busy with something else. It was a 1% loss. I think it was on AUD USD. So overall for the week, I'm on like plus 6.9%, which is close to 7, right? So yeah, man, so far this week was a great week, and I'm looking forward for the next week, right? So yeah, man, I hope you really enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see on this channel, guys. And yeah, man, let's get it.